Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
Good afternoon, dear faculty members. I request please inform your colleagues or friends to join the session as we are starting further. Sangeeta ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You can start the class.
Okay, ma'am. So, good afternoon, all. So, yesterday we have seen for the introduction of Power BI, and we saw for features and what are all the roles. Once you completed the Power BI, we saw about the business analytical role, and we saw the installation of Power BI software, and we see. So once it is installed, let me show how to open it. I'll share my screen now. I hope the screen is visible here. So once you installed, so you can see the icon like this. So Power BI desktop. Just double click on it. So wait for a few seconds. So this is your environment. Okay. So this is your environment. Just click for blank report. So this is your working environment. Actually, I showed this uh, uh, front page in the PPT. Do you remember? Let me show it once again. In the yesterday session, I showed this page. Can you see? I hope you remember. So this is called as ribbon, and this is views, and this is filter. So this is your visualization part. So here where all your chart will be present here, and this is fields. So the same page is here, the same page. So these are all views, and as very similar to Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and see here, this is your file menu. So where you can go for the home page, so you can open the file, you can save the file, share the data, import, export. So this is your file, and this is your home menu. So this is your home menu, and so in the home menu, so this is the icon where you can connect for your multiple sources. For example, I'll just click here. Can you see it here? I already said you can import any. Suppose if you are keeping your data in Excel or in SQL, or it is in a CSV file, or it is in a web. So I have already said, so your Power BI can support for 100 plus data sources. So here it is listed very few. When I click for more, you can see it here. Can you see it here? See? You can see what are all the uh, data sources, whether the Microsoft Power BI is supporting for. It is supporting for Snowflake, data flows, SQL database, Azure SQL database. See it here. I already said the Power BI is supporting for 100 plus data sources. So use even from the LinkedIn, web, SharePoint, Microsoft Exchange, Spark, Python script, R script. So it is supporting for 100 plus data sources. See here? Fine. So here, so where you are having the data, in what form you are having the data, you can just, if you are having the data in Excel, you have to click for the Excel workbook. You can import the data, so that we can see in our future classes. So this is your add visuals to your report. So this one, visualization. Okay. So similarly, this is your insert tab, and this is your modeling tab, view tab, optimize, and help. As like in PowerPoint, or as like in Microsoft Word, so you have the top section is known as ribbon. Okay, you have different tabs here. Okay, and this is known as views. So here you need to remember, first these three views are very important. The first is report view. So now we are in the report page, and here you can see this dotted line. So this one, so this dotted, you can see some rectangular box, right? So this is the Canva. So this is where you are going to work. Okay, so this page is known as a report view. Okay, this is see what you are looking for. The current page is known as report view. So next we are moving for the table view. So whatever table, I mean whatever data you are attaching here, so that will be visible here. So this is known as table view, and this is your model view, where you can create the relationship between the tables. You have to remember of these three view. So this is your report view, this is the table view, and this is the model view. Okay, so we saw for ribbon, and this is views. And one more part you need to understand is these three parts. So what are all those? Filters, visualization, and data. Okay, so data. So once you attach the or import the table, all the field will be displayed here. Okay, so this field is known as data, and here this is the visualization. Here you can see for more charts. See, the first chart is staked bar chart. So this one is column chart. This is clustered column chart. This is 100% staked bar chart. This is 100% staked column chart. This is line chart, area chart, and this is staked area. So you can see more charts here. This is funnel, skaters chart, pie chart, donut chart. This is tree map. This is map, filled map, Azure maps. Like this is slicer, table, metrics. You can see for more charts. So whichever is required according to your requirement, you can use whatever chart you want. And this is filter. Suppose you want to apply the filter only to this page. So we are in the page 1. You can see at the bottom. So we are in the page 1. Like Excel, you can add so many pages. This is page 1 and this is page 2. You can add so many pages. Suppose the filter I want to apply only for the page 1, then I should go for this option. Second option, filters on this page. Suppose you are applying the filter to all the pages. So then you need to go for the second option. So according to your requirement, you can use either one. Okay, so filter. So that's all about the filter. So that's all. So these are also called as views. So now you are okay with this working environment of Power BI. Okay, fine. Now we will see, we will take one chart here. Okay. Uh, One second. Okay. Let me import the data first. Hold on a second. Let me show you how to attach the data first. Okay, so it is very easy. So here itself you can see for this, see here, import data from Excel. So straightly you can use that, or else you can go to the home menu and then you can click for it. Connect data, connect to data from multiple sources. Anything you can go like this, or else in this page itself you can see import data from Excel. So I'm going to take the Excel data, just click on it. So it will take you to the desktop files. So here, so where you are keeping your Excel file, just go and open it. So here, so Power BI, here I have for the data set. So inside the data set, I have for many data sets. Okay, so I'll take this Power BI training participants. I'll take this data set. Just select that data set. Okay, and click for open option. Open. So it is connecting. And see here. So this is a data set. Before that, I'll show you what data set it is. I'll show you here. I'll open the Excel file. So this is the Excel file I attached there. So I'll show here. So what are all the columns are here? The first column is model, name. So dataset name is Power BI training participants. So who are all attending the training of Power BI, and the participant details are given here. So model, the name of the participant, email, this one, director, senior manager. Please select your manager name, employee ID, gender, what is the job level they are, what is their designation, attendance, whether they are present or absent. So team, which team they belong to. Okay, so attendance, their salary, date, month, quarter, bonus. So totally, let me see how many columns are there. Can you see here? Totally, it consists of 18 columns. Let's see how many rows are there. So 76 rows. Wait a minute. Yeah, 38 rows it is. So it consists of 38 employee participant details. Okay. So Power BI training participants. So this is about the data set. So we have for 18 columns. Only the same file I attach to the Power BI. See here, Power BI training participants. You need to select this one. Okay, just select it. So this is the table you have. The whatever thing I showed in the Excel file, the same table is displayed here. See here. So this is the data. So same file, see, name, email, director, senior manager. Please select your manager name, employee ID. Okay. Gender, job level, attendance, team, attendance status, same thing. It consists of 18 columns, right? Same thing. Now, I'm going to load this data. That means I am importing this data to the Power BI. Okay. Just click for load option. Okay. Just click for load option. So now this data set is loading here. We are importing the data from Excel file to Power BI. So it consists of 38 rows and 18 columns. See here. See here. See the data this thing. So we have three things, right? One is data, visualization, and filter. See for the data. See what are all the columns are there in the Excel sheet. All the fields are listed here. Okay. So all the fields are listed here. And this Power BI is super easy. See here, These are all number columns. So whichever column you can find this summation symbol, those columns belong to the number column. So it is segregating the number column, it is segregating the name date column, and remaining all text. So these are all text. Email is a text column, gender is a text column. From here itself you can understand. If you see the summation part, so these are all number column. Okay, other remaining or head, remaining or text. Okay, and see here we are in the report view, and this is a table view. You can see the whole data of the table. Whole data of the table. Okay, so now again I'll go to the report view. So this is the first one, is a report view. Okay, fine. Let us put for the first chart. In the today's session, let us see what are the things we are going to see here. Okay. In this session, let me discuss what are all the things we are going to see today. Okay. Today we are going to see for how to create different visuals in Power BI. Okay. Second, how to connect data. So that's what we have seen now. We have connected the data set, right, in the today's session. And then how to create the column chart. And next, how to create the bar chart. Okay. So next, in the today's session, we are going to see for how to create pie chart. Next, how to create table. Next, how to create matrix. So these are all the things we are going to cover it for today. Okay. So we are going to create different visuals in Power BI. So first we have connected the data. So this part is done. So we have imported the Excel file to the Power BI. So it's very easy. So that part is done. So next we are going to see how to import, how to create the color chart, bar chart, pie chart, table, metrics, all the thing we are going to cover it today. Okay, let's move on to the Power BI working environment. Okay. Okay, fine. The first chart what we are going to put here is take the bar chart. Go to the visualization. Okay. See which one is a state. The first one is a state bar chart. So just simply if you click here, it will be added in your Canva page, or else you can simply drag this chart and then you can drop in the page. So that you can do. Okay, so that you can do. Or else just simply double click it, it will be added in your page. That's it. So this chart name is state bar chart. Okay, this one is state bar chart. So now see here, this bar chart consists of, see the property. It consists of y-axis, it consists of x-axis. So here, I'm going to find a team-wise volume. Okay, see here, we have different fields, right? So you need to understand that, or you have already we discussed about the fields. This you see, suppose if you are going to do the analysis, so first you need to understand the data set first. Okay, so this is your data, fine. So we have 18 columns. This data set is for Power BI training participants, okay, who are all attending the session or not attending the session. It is very similar what we are doing now. Okay, so that is a training data set I have taken. Okay, so what I'm going to do is in the x-axis, I'm going to drop this team. Okay, team. See here. So this team, just simply select and drop it in the x-axis. It's done, right? Okay, simply I have selected and drop it in the x-axis. Okay, so and then in the y-axis, I'm going to select the column of employee ID, this one. Can you see here? Please enter your employee ID. Okay, so this one, just select and drag and drop it in the y-axis. Can you see here? See the chart? Okay. So Power BI is enough capable to identify the values or string function. Okay. Okay, fine. Now you can enable the data labels. Fine. We will enable the database. 1 second. Okay, we will see the see, this part is known as build visual, and this part is known as format visuals. So this is build visual, and this is format visual. You can see here. If you keep the cursor on the icon, so it will display what it is. Okay, this is build visual. So this is build visual, and click on here. This is a format visual. So under this format visual, you have two category. So one is visual and another one is general. Okay, so visual and general. Okay, in the build visual, you can see all the charts. Okay, so you can see all the charts. But in the format visual, so you can see, okay, so you can see how to apply the label or apply the title, how to change the font, change the color, and everything. You are formatting this chart, nothing else. You are formatting this chart, how to make it as bold, how to change the background color, everything, changing the title, everything. Okay. Fine. Let us see it one by one. Okay, fine. I'm just changing. In the y-axis, I'm just putting for the team. And in the x-axis, I am adding for the employee ID. Here, I don't want to put the sum of employee ID. I'm just changing it to count. Okay. In the y-axis, I'm putting for employee. I mean, in y-axis, I'm putting for team. Okay. In the x-axis, I'm putting for the employee ID. So that also I'm changing the count of it. Okay, see here. So before it was in sum, I am changing into count. Okay. So team wise, see here. Okay. So totally from this chart, what we can understand, this data set by team wise, we have 5 teams. See here, when I keep the cursor on the first one, see here, from team 2, 12 employees are participated in the Power BI training. Okay. From the team 5, you can see here, right? This is team 5. Team 5. So team 5, how many employees have participated? 11 employees. And from the team 4, 8 employees. From the team 1, it is 4 employees. From the team 3, it is 3 employees. So according to the team wise, it is displaying how many employees are or attending the Power BI training session according to team wise. Okay, fine. Now we are going to format this chart. So, okay, we already know this one is build visual and this one is formatting your visual. Just click on the format. And here in the visual, so I am in the visual part. So in the visual, I am going to enable the data labels. Can you see the data labels here? So it is an off. You make it as on. Can you see it here? Before, In team 2, how many participants were there? 12 participants. So before it was not enabled. Can you see it here? Once again, I'll make it as off. So there is no team value. So there is no, see here. It was, at the beginning, it was looking like this. So team 2, if I keep the cursor here, it is displaying 12 participants belong to team 2. Now, in so now I'm enabling the data labels. Can you see it here? So it is displaying how many participants are there. The count is displaying here. Okay. The 12 belong to team 2. So 11 participants belong to team 5. 8 participants belong to team 4. 4 participants belong to team 1. And 3 participants belong to team 3. Okay. So I have enabled the data label. Okay. And if you want, you can extend the property of this data label and you can see it. And if you want to change the title of it, that is possible. You need to enable it. So this is the title. So note, we don't want that. So it is so congested. This is known as grid lines. So this is x-axis and y-axis they have given. So x-axis, you can see it here. I'll make it as bold. Can you see here? This team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4, team 5. Just note down this. Note down this. Okay. See here. Can you find the difference? If you want, you can make it bold or else you can remove it. This one. Suppose if you want, I change the color of it. Can you see it here? I have changed the color of it. So for the y-axis also, you can do the same. So these are all to decorate your chart. That's it. For general, your title is on. So if you want, you can change the title of it. Now it is like, it was displayed like this. So here you can put it. So team wise, you can change the title as you wish. Team wise volume. Okay, just I'm clicking on it. See here, your title has got changed. And then if you want, you can make it like bold. Here, you can put it in middle. And if you want, you can change the background color of this title. See here, I've changed it. You can change it. So any color you want as you wish. So I changed for this. And okay, so that's all I have done in the title and effects. In the effects, I want to change this background color. Can you see it here? The chart background color has got changed. So you can take it from the more colors also. So after changing here, anything, anything as you wish, you can change it. Okay, fine. And whatever you want, you can change it, ma. So now I changed the I went for effects and then I changed the background color of it. If you want, you can change it for any color. Okay. Any color you can change it. And text color, I'll make it as white. Okay. This is okay, fine. So everything is visible. Okay. Fine. And also, see, there are many features. So you can go and check. Data formats are there, properties are there. So whatever you want, you can, sorry. So you can apply for it. So now this is okay for me. Okay. Okay, fine. Hmm. Okay. So next chart, what we are going to see is clustered bar chart. So first we saw for what is that? Staked bar chart. So first chart is the staked bar chart, and next chart what we are going to is a clustered bar chart. Let us see which one. So this one. So keep it here. So this is your clustered bar chart. It is here. Here I'm going to, here also we have for two fields. One is x-axis and another one is y-axis. And this time I'm going to map with employee ID and senior manager. See here, senior manager. So this I'll drag and drop it in the y-axis. Okay. And employee ID. So what I have done in the previous chart, same thing. Employee ID, I am going to drag and drop it in the x-axis. Okay. Here also I am going to make it as the count. I'm going to take the count of it. Okay, can you see it here? Okay. Okay. Under the senior manager, 8 employees are there. So here also for Lewis also 8 is there. For Kent, under the Kent there are 7 employees are there. Under the Wade, see here, when I keep the cursor on that, it is displaying how many employees are under the senior manager. Okay. And this also you can you can do the formatting. You can change the title. So you can change the title. How to do that? Simply just select the chart and go to the format visuals and go to the visuals, and here you need, if you want, you can enable the data label, but I don't want to enable it, so I'm not enabling it. And go here. Here the title is there. If you want, you can change the title of it. So here you can change the title. Senior manager wise. Okay. So just just select the chart and go here. General. Okay, it has changed. The title is changed. You can change the background color as this, and you can change the text color as white. You can keep it in center, and if you want, you can increase the. You can make it as bold. So I made it as bold. Okay, so it's all in title, and for the effects, I could change the background color like this. So that's all. Fine. So that's all about this. So here we have done for. See here, see the chart. We have created for two charts. So one is staked bar chart and staked column chart. So both chart is done. So one we have find for team wise volume, and another we found for manager wise volume. Okay, let it be. We can arrange at the last. So this is your page. Okay, fine. So next we are going to keep for funnel. So here I'm going to keep for funnel. Go to the data visualization, and this is known as funnel. Just add it. Okay, fine. So let us see what are the column we are going to drop it. So this chart we are going to see by job level. Okay. Okay. Fine. So this we are working on this chart. So see here in the value section, I'm going to drop the employee ID. Okay. This I am going to make it as count. Okay. And in the category section, we are going to see it for job level, right? This one, this one. Just drag and drop it in the category field. That's it. So that's it. See here, it is displaying that in by job level, it is displaying. See, so for analyst, there is 8 employees have registered for Power BI training. For executive, also they have registered for 8 employees. The senior executive, the count of senior executive is 8 who are attending the training. The senior analyst, the 7 members have registered for Power BI training. As a team lead, they also 7 members have registered for the training. So we have done this by job level. So this is job level count. Again, if you want to what's that, if you want to uh, apply the format, so then you need to go for format visuals. If you want, you can enable the data, or else see here, now already the data label is enabled. Okay, so I made it as off. So if you enable it, it will display all the data inside the chart. If you're not enabling it, it will turn off. See here. Okay, fine. Let me go to the general section, and here you can put job level count. Okay, job level count. Okay, so the title is changed. And same thing, if you want to change the background color of the text, you can do it. And you can change the text color. You can make it as bold. And then you can align it to the center. So text alignment, I have done it for center. And then it's over for title. If I want to change the background color of the chart, then I need to go for effects. So I go with this color. Okay. See here, if you want to default color is blue. If you want to change it, that is possible. See here, I have changed the default color of the. See in the other two charts, it is displayed in blue color. Fine, now I changed it to violet. For this chart, I changed to violet. For that, in the visuals, the first option is color. So if you expand this, so you can change the color. You can see the option which is known as default. Just click on this menu. So you can find a lot of colors. So you can change it. Okay. Fine. And you can go with a lot of options. See here. So here you can go. So this one, it is displayed in gray color. If you want to change, you can change it. If you want to make it bold, you can do it. Okay, see here, everything is, it now it is displayed in bold. See here, if I unbold it, see here, it is very light. I made it as bold. Now it is very visible to look at. You want to change it also, that is possible, but I don't want to change it. I keep it in gray color itself. Okay. So that's it. So next chart, what we are going to see is, so we saw for staked column chart, bar chart, and funnel. So next what we are going to see is, we are going to see for the pie chart. So where is, this is the pie chart. Just, okay. So I have added this pie chart in my Canva. So here you see what are all the fields are here. Legend field is here and value field is here. So legend, in the legend field, so I'm going to display according to the gender wise. Okay. Okay, in the value, as usual, I'm going to drag and drop the employee ID. Just drag and drop the employee ID in the values. Okay, but in the legend, I'm going to uh, display the employee according to gender wise. So take this column. Okay, you can see it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seventh column, seventh field. So gender field, just select it, click on it, just drag it and drop it over here. So now you can see, right? So this is, I'm going to display, see here for female, you can see the, it is a light sky blue color. It is indicating for female and the dark navy blue color indicating for male. See here. So 42% of male is attending this Power BI training program and 57% of female is attending. Okay. So it is given in the percentage wise. Let me show you what are all the options are available here. So for that, you need to go for the format visuals, and here in the gender, so this is known as legend. At the you can see here gender. So below it is displaying for female and male. So you can change it as your wish. Now it is in right side. That means center right side. I will show you one by one what are all the options are available. The first one is top left. Can you see it here? It has moved on to the top left. Gender, female and male. So it move on to the top left and top center. It wherever you want you can display. This is top center and top right. This is top right and top left stacked. It is displaying like one by one. Before it was displayed like side by side. Now it has displayed like one by one. And top right stacked and center left. Can you see it here? This is center left, and you have one more option on the center right. At the beginning, it was displayed like this, center right. And then bottom left and bottom center and bottom right. So you have these many features. But I like to keep it on center right. This is looking good, so I keep it as it is. Okay, so that's all the options in the legend. And this is about the text. It is displaying in the gray color. You want to make it bold, you can make it bold. I made it as bold. You want to change the color of it, you can do it. But it is very good with gray itself. So I keep it in the gray itself. Okay. Under the title, it is in gender. Okay, fine. So that's all in the gender. Okay. If you don't want the detailed label, you can remove it. Can you see here? Now it is showing the detailed label. If you don't want, you can remove it. If you want, you can keep it. Next, I'm coming to the values. The same thing, this one, this values. If you want to change the color, you can do it. See here? If you want to keep it in black, you can do it. So this is values. Okay, fine. So that's all about values. Okay, next we move on to the general. Okay, in the general, see for the properties. So title is, so you can change it like gender wise. So gender wise counts. Okay. So the title is changed. Let me just keep the background color of it. Change the background color. I'll change the background color like this. I keep the text color in white and I keep it in center. I'll make it bold. Okay, fine, done. That's all I'm doing in the title. And go for the effects. So this you could change to the screen. It's done. Okay. And data formats. Okay, see this format option. Now it is displaying in percentage. Suppose if you want in general, okay, let us see one by one. It's not changing. 1 second. Okay, I'll change this as counts. Okay, fine. Can we see it here? Only 16 male employee are attending the session, Power BI training session, and 22 female employee are attending the Power BI training session. Now I go to this visual, and here go to the general, and here data format. Now you can see, check it out. The first one is in general. If I apply only for the general, once again, I'll put for the whole number. Let me check for it. Okay, it is changing. See, for currency, it is changing. If you want only the percentage, you can see the percentage. If you want the whole number, now it is in whole number. So 16 female faculty, 16 male faculty and 22 female faculty are attending the session. So this is the format of data how you like to display. Or if you want to display only the percentage will be there. But I keep it in general. So it is saying the count as well as the percentage. Can you see it here? So I'm okay with this. So I'm not going to change it. Fine. Okay. I go to the general here. Even the effects. This is changing the color of header icons. Alter text. I'm checking for all the properties one by one. What about the visuals? Slicer. This is what I'm searching for. See, now by default, it is showing like dark blue and light blue, right? If you want, you can change it. For that, you need to come for visual. Okay, visual. This is a legend part, you know about it. I have explained this. And slices. Go to the slices and see here. Suppose for female, select for the female. The female, it is displaying in the light blue color. See here. And for the male, it is displaying in the dark blue. If you want, you can change it like this for male, and for the female, you can change like this. Possible. Okay, you can change the color of the chart. So this is what I'm searching for. You can change to any other color as you like. For female, if it is this color, and for the male, you can change it. Any color. You can go to the more icon. Okay, fine. For male also I have changed the color. For female also I changed the color. You can change the color of it. So that's all about the pie chart. So next chart we can go for We can go for card. Okay, we can go for card. Okay. So now, as of now, see the charts. So this is the 4 charts we have created. Okay, so this is a staked bar chart. So this is a staked bar chart, and this one is clustered bar chart. Okay, 2 of them have taken for the bar chart. This one is funnel. This I mentioned for team wise count. This is job level count. This is senior manager wise count. This is gender wise count. And next I'm going to display for the card. So what is card? So this is known as card, this one. So this one is card. Just add it. So I have added the card here. So here I'm going to display the count of the participant. Okay, I'm going to display the count of the participant. Who are all, how many count? This is a Power BI training program data set. So how many of them are attending the Power BI training session? So I'm going to display the count of it. Okay, fine. Let me just select this. Go to the field. Here we have only one field. Okay, in that, okay, I'm going to drag and drop the field of employee ID. Just drag it and drop it over here. And it is showing the sum. I don't want the sum. I want to display the count. Just go and select this option. Always remember there is one arrow mark which faces towards down. Okay, just click on it. And here you need to select for count. Okay, it is displayed here. So that's it. So totally, I already said 18 columns are there and 38 records are there. So 38 is the count. Who is attending this Power BI training? Participant count it is. Fine. Now, I don't want this much big. Let me make it short. It's enough. Let's go to the format, the visual. So this is the label, category label. If you want, you can keep it, or else you can remove it. But I need it, so I'm keeping it here. Okay. Go to the general. Go to the effects. I want it like, I'll keep the background color orange. It's very light. Okay, fine. Okay. So you can change the here also you can change it. Count of employee ID. Or else you can change like total count. So that's possible. So you can keep like total count. Fine. I'm sorry. Fine. So here you can make it as bold. Okay. And you can make it bigger. If you want, you can make it bigger. Okay. So now it is bright. And this is a call out value. And this mentioned for this 38. You want to make it bigger, you can do it. Okay, it is getting bigger. You can notice it down, right? It's getting bigger. You want to change the color, you can do it. Or else you need to keep it as it is, you can do it. Okay. Any color as you wish, you can keep it. Fine. So total count who are all attending this training program is 38. I kept like 38. Okay, fine. So nothing to change it. So that's it. Okay. So next we are going to see for chart is slicer. So this is slicer. Just add here. Okay. So in this slicer, I'm going to add the team. So how many fields are here? We have only one field. So in this field, I'm going to add for the team. Just drag and drop it over here. So this is a team. Okay. And let me show you what happening. Okay. Before that, we do that formatting and all. Okay. Select this and then go here. I'll go to the general and go to the effects. Change the background color. Oh, okay, no issues. Okay. And here you can change it. If you want like a tile, you can keep it. If you want like a drop down, also you can keep it. If you want like a vertical list, you can keep it. Anything as you wish. This team is very short, right? So I'm increasing the size of it on this team. So I'll make it as bold. If you want, I could change the not necessary. Okay, fine. So this is enough. Okay, fine. So that's it. So here what I want to show is, so this is how our chart look like as of now, what we have created. Okay, fine. See here, team one. It is, see, all the charts are changing, right? For team one, total count is 4. Okay. So see all the charts. There is only female. All the in team one, all are female faculty. 4 are there. 4 belong to team one. So all are the female faculty. In that 4, 2 of them are senior analyst, and one is for executive, and one is for team lead. So all belong to team one. They all belong to team one. Okay. So what about team four? See here, totally 8 counts. Okay, only one male faculty belong or present in the team four. 7 female faculty. You can look at the pie chart. See here, you can look at the pie chart. So to see here, if I touch any of this thing, all the sheets are changing, right? So team 2, so this is team 3 detail, this is team 4 detail, and if I click, it will display all the data. So here also you can do it. So suppose, see here, I'm clicking for this senior manager, or else I'm clicking only for the female faculty. See here, no, I don't want only the male faculty. Hmm. See here, it is, everything is perfect, right? So till now, so this is staked bar chart, and this is clustered bar chart, funnel, pie chart. This is card, and this is slicer. So two more visualization I want to add is, one I'm going to add is table. Let me just add the table in our sheet. Let me keep like this. Okay, next I'm going to add the table. Better I could add down, right? Okay, I have added this chart and down. Let me add for the next visualization as table. Okay. I'm sorry. In table, just add the column, see name column. I'm going to add the name column. It consists of only one field, and in that field I'm going to add for name column. Okay, and under that I'm going to add the attendance columns also. Attendance column, just drag and drop it in the same field, in the column field itself. See here, I've added for 2 columns. See here, can you look at here? It is showing the name of the employee and it is telling that they are present or not. See here. And what we have done is table. So we worked on table. Okay. Okay. Go to the format visuals. It is like, see here, this table consists of so many styles. What we are seeing is a default style, and this is a minimal style. So this one is a minimal style. Whatever you want, you can keep it. This is bold header. This is alternative rows. So it is selecting for the alternative rows. So this shows the contrast alternating rows. And look at this. You have 4 flashy rows. And this is bold, flashy rows. And this is sparse. It is removing everything, all the lines. And this is condensed. So whatever you want, you can set it. Okay. So whatever you want, you can set it. That's all about style presence. Sorry, style presets. And this is grid. This, you can change the color of the grid. Okay. And you can alter the width of the grid also. Okay. And this is the values. So here you can change the text color like this. And you can change the alternative text color also. If you want, you can change the alternative background color also. See here, you could change it. And background of this also, you can change it. Anything, if whatever you want, you can change it. Fine. I'm making like bold. If you want, you can make it bold, or else you can remove it. If you don't want, you can remove it. Sorry. Fine. So it is displaying all the name of the employee, and it is telling the attendance status also, whether they are present or absent. Everything it is displaying here. So this I have used table. Okay, so table I have used here. And next, we can go with the matrix. Okay, this is matrix. And here I'm see here how many fields are here, rows and columns. So if you are understanding the pivot table in Excel, it is very similar. This is you'll understand this also. And here I'm going to add team to the row and name to the column. Okay, okay, fine. So let me add team to the row. Okay, and a name to the column. So team wise, it is displaying the name. No, both I'm going to add in the column itself. Team also I'm going to add in the column itself. Just drag it. Okay. First you add the team in the column and name in the column. Both you add in the column itself. What is happening? One second, I'll check with this. Okay, in the row you need to add. Okay, team and add the name. See here. Okay. See team 2. So team 1 belong to how many, what are all the, who are all the employee under the team 1? It is displaying all the name. Okay. And team 2 employee details. So team 3 employee details. And this is team 4. And this is team 5. Can you see it here? So it is displaying everything. Okay, fine. Let you can format this. There are different styles like border header, bold header, like alternative rows, as like in table like alternative flashy rows. So you have different bold header, flashy rows, and everything is here. So whatever you want, you can select it. Okay. So grid we have seen, blank rows. So values we want, you can increase the size of it. If you want, you can make it bold. Okay, if you want, you can change the text color. Okay, and you can change the alternative text color. Everything you can do it. And the background color of the first one. or else I'll leave it as it is. Okay, I go to the general, to the effects, I change the color. Okay. Okay, fine. So these are all the different visuals today we saw in our session. Okay, fine. Let us see today how many visuals we have completed. We saw for, can you list out? So this is staked bar chart, this is clustered bar chart, and this is funnel, and this is pie chart, and this is slicer, and this is card, and this is table, and this is matrix. Okay. So if you want, you can expand it. You can fill the Canva by adjusting it. Now I filled this Canva. See here. So this is my design. So see, whatever you're clicking, according to that, all the analytics will be changing. You can see this whole chat. If you're clicking only the female, it is showing only the female thing, whether they are present or not. So if you're clicking for the male, okay. And if you're
Ma'am,
clicking for the
sorry
team
for
4,
the interrupt.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, like they're asking for data set, ma'am.
Yeah,
Can you
yeah, I will
please
provide
share?
you, ma'am. I'll
Yeah.
I'll put it in the drive link, and then I'll share the link with you.
Okay, actually, Anuradha ma'am is asking like she want to practice like simultaneously when you're teaching. Even she have to do it. So if the data set is there, can you please put it on
Yeah,
chat
definitely.
right now?
I'll give you now itself. I'll give you now itself.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Just give me 2 minutes. I will share the dataset link to you in the chat box. Please hold on for 2 minutes. I'll just update the dataset in the Google Drive and then I will send the link to you. Okay, now you can check your chat box. I have posted the drive link. Check it whether is it possible for by clicking the link you can download that dataset. Okay, just download that link. Download that dataset and I will give you 10 minutes time. So still we have time, 20 minutes over there. You do the thing, whatever I have done in the session. Still we have 20 minutes. So work with this data set. If you have any doubt, kindly let me know or you share your screen if you're not getting the results or answer anything else. Just tell me now, I clarify all your doubts. Let me share my screen here. So by seeing this, as it is, create your chart. I hope my screen is visible for you. Is it visible? My screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yeah, okay, okay. So once again, you're asking for the drive link once again. Check it now. Okay, here onwards at the beginning of the session itself, I give the see most of the thing I work with this data set. So in the beginning itself, if I'm using the different data set at the beginning itself, I'll in the just copy this link with yourself. I put because this link I have created the folder and then inside that I put that data set. So whatever data set I'm going to introduce in this session, I put that data set in the same folder. So this is the link. So you can download from that. At the beginning of the session itself, I'll give the data link, data set, everything, whatever I am working. Just try to create the same data set. Charts, see, today we have seen for nearly 7 to 8 different charts. Okay, we have created the dashboard today. So now we have 20 minutes time. I want you to do the task, whatever I have completed. You try it. If you have any error or you are struggling with any problem, I could help you now. Yeah, same thing. The Power BI training participant data set. You download that. That is in an Excel file. Just download it, keep it in your system, and open the Power BI software. Import your Excel file in that. So when I am teaching, you need to sit with your note and pen and just note all the steps. So that would guide you to do it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. The first chart is the, okay, I'll keep the property of it. So this is your first chart. Actually, what it is, this is, this is a staked bar chart. And see what I have dragged and dropped in the x-axis and y-axis, it is displaying the column. You can check it now. So this is your first chart. Here in the x-axis, I drop this employee ID, and in the y-axis, I drop for the team. Okay, same you do it. I kept the chart here, so you can do it. In x-axis, you need to drop the column employee ID. Okay, you need to change it to count. When you drag and drop, it will be displayed like sum of, it will be in sum. You need to change it to count. Do this. Once you're done, just tell me in the chat box that you have completed. So I would give you, I click for the next chart and I will tell you what are all the property you need to set it. Thank you, ma'am, for giving the feedback like excellent session. Thank you. Ma'am, not able to add the background color. Okay, let me show you that. If you want to change the background color of the chart, just click that chart, go to the format your visuals, go there, and you have two options. One is visuals and another one is general. Go to the general and go with effects. Okay, now you change the background color, it will be changing. Try this. Anuradha ma'am, please try it. Ma'am, it won't see Power BI give you only one version. Maybe I installed this Power BI by 6 months before. I think you have installed the recent version. So you just check for the options, ma'am. It will be available. It will give you only one option. Straightly go to that Microsoft Power BI desktop download. It will show you only one option. You need to download for 64-bit. Suppose if you have the older version, you uninstall that Power BI and download the new one and do it. So Shavanti, she have changed the background color. It is working, ma'am. Okay, Anuradha, ma'am. Actually, the software is free. You can download and install. Are you doing it? You are getting the output for it? Pie chart, Radhika ma'am, pie chart is used for comparing. So suppose if your comparison is less number of amount, this pie chart will be effective. If your comparison of columns are more, then it is not effective. So better you can go with the column chart. Ma'am, once again send the link. Check it now, ma'am. Ma'am, Radhika ma'am, it is not that a fixed one, like what parameter you need to add for which chart. It is up to you. Okay, you are doing the data analytics. You are going to provide the reports to your higher officials. So you can fix any parameter to any column of the chart. Okay, to give the better results, you can choose for any chart. It is not the fixed, like, see, yesterday I have shown you the comparison of chart, right? So for line chart, you can take the continuous data, you can choose for the line chart. For map, you can go with the map visual. So like that comparison I shown you yesterday, if you want I can show it again. And see this. Suppose if you want to compare a category wise, you can go with column chart or bar chart. Okay, suppose if you have like a continuous data, like see here, you want to display the sales for every month, or if you want to show the trends and changes over time period, then you can go with the line chart. And this is pie and donut chart. So this is great for showing the percentage, okay, for display the proportion in the circular format. So this will be so good. But if there is a less number of column, that will be very good. So here they have used only for 4 columns, or you can go with 5 column or up to 8 column. 8 itself it was maximum. So if you are going with a huge number of columns you are using for the pie chart, it will be so congested. So you have to choose less number of columns for getting the better results. And see, this is a card. Today we have used for the card. Today we use for the column chart and bar chart. We use for the we use for pie chart. So we use for the card visuals. So this card visual, it will display only the single value. So what I have displayed, I displayed for the total count of the employee. Okay, I displayed for that. So like that, so sales is there. So I mean, scatter plot and bubble chart is there. This will always show the comparison or relationship between two variables. So here they have shown for sales versus profit. So this chart, it is useful to detect correlations and distributions like sales versus profit. Okay, so it will always use to correlate between two different variables. So like that, you can choose any chart, you can choose any parameter to fix it. I hope your doubt is clear. Is the session is understandable? How about the today's session? Have you learned? You're clear? Is it informative? It is very simple. It is very easy to learn. Anuradha ma'am done with 2 chats. Okay, ma'am, I'll display the chat now. Okay, fine. You can go with funnel. So funnel, I kept for the funnel chat. And you can see what are all the property you need to set it for category and values. You can make it fast. Okay, fine. So thank you all for joining the session. Sushmita ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. We'll meet again by tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you for joining. As there's one like asking for the yesterday's attendance link. The yesterday's attendance link can't be shared because the link will be deactivated exactly around 5:30. So every day the link will be active only for 1 hour. That is 4:30 to 5:30. Okay. So we could not share the previous day's attendance link. I hope you all marked your attendance for today's. Oh, thank you all. We'll meet again by tomorrow, 3 p.m. Thank you.